lemon, carrot, coconut milk rice, one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most healthiest of the dinner recipes and one of the tastiest of the veg recipes, one of the most nutritious of the carrot recipes, and one of the most wholesome of the lemon recipes. Today we are making lemon, carrot, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 200 grams of carrots cut into round pieces, 15 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 1 lime cut into 2, 1 onion cut into pieces, around 25 shallots whole, and 2 green chillies. 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ginger, put in the onion pieces, put in the garlic, Keep on sauteing. Put in your carrot pieces. Salt. Put in the some chili. Salt and pepper. Really starting. Mix thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Pour in the lime juice from the lime. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix the lime juice thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. thoroughly mix the lime juice with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 2 spoons of garam masala. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Saute mix. Now pour in around 300 ml of coconut milk and mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Mix thoroughly. And close and cook for 4 to 5 minutes if in a pressure cooker, and for 15 to 20 minutes if in an open pan. After 15 minutes, open and put in the rice and mix thoroughly. Mix. And let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the carrot coconut milk rice, or lemon carrot coconut milk rice, one of the most delicious of the dinner recipes, and a nice veg recipe is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final lemon carrot coconut milk rice, one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most wholesome of the dinner recipes, and one of the tastiest of the rice recipes, and one of the most wholesome and healthy of the veg recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the carrot recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.